Magandang araw po mga ka-issue, nasang dako man kayo ng mundo. Tutok lang po sa ating YouTube channel, ako ang inyong issue share. Heto po, meron akong nabasa mula po sa post ni Mr. Sonsa. Ito ay bagong post. Good news po ito mga ka-issue, nako siguradong ikatutuwa ninyong lahat. Ayon po sa kanya ay inihahanda na niya ang mga paboritong inumin ni Tatay Digong. Nako, siyempre ang kanyang paborito ay ang Coke, no? Inihahanda na raw niya ang mga Coke dahil baka, ayon sa kanya, ay baka mapaaga ang release sa kulungan ni Tatay Digong. At makakauwi na ito sa kanilang subdivision sa Davao City. Ay nako, totoo na nga kaya ito? Kung ito ay totoo, siguradong magdiriwang ang mga Pilipino at lalo na yung mga Davaoenyo na matagal nang naghihintay at nagdarasal na sana ay makauwi na si Tatay Digong. Okay, tara basahin natin ang post na ito ni Mr. Sonsa. Okay. Ayan po. Basahin natin. Good afternoon po. Ready na ang Cokes ni FPRRD. Inihahanda ko lang itong paboritong inumin ni Tatay Digong. Baka kasi mapaaga yung release niya sa kulungan at makauwi dito sa aming munting subdivision sa Davao City. Ayan po. Ayan yung mga Coke. Yan. Alright. Hindi man po 100% ng mga Pilipino ang matutuwa ay siguradong karamihan po ay masaya kapag si FPRRD ay makalaya na at makabalik na rito sa ating bansa. Sigurado yan dahil yung mga OFW nga ng mga kababayan natin gumagastos pa para mapuntahan si Tatay Digong. Madalaw kahit sa labas lang ng ICC building. Kay FPRRD lang merong ganyan, sa iba walang ganyan. At heto pa, pinakita po ang sandamakmak ng mga liham ng pagmamahal at pagsuporta kay Tatay Digong saan mang dako ng mundo. Panoorin po natin itong video post mula sa SMNI.
Mag-subscribe na sa aming YouTube channel dahil dapat updated ka. Issue share.
Okay, well, good morning. I'd like you just if you could focus what I have with me here. Please, if you could perhaps put cameras on that. This is just a fraction of the mail the former president has been receiving. I think it's important that crowd of supporters, not just crowd, perhaps a huge part of the population of the Philippines who are thinking of him every day, are wishing him the best, and wishing for his return as soon as possible. And as I said, this is just a fraction of the mail that we're receiving. And I've been tasked to take this back today, to sort through it, and then let him know each and every person who is writing to him, because it means a lot to him. He knows that he has followers. He knows that he has supporters. Ready to answer any questions?
Yours. Attorney, on behalf of the Filipino people, how is our former president?
He's in good spirits.
When
As I said, he knows the sheer amount of mail he's been receiving. Physically, he can't go through it. So he's asked me to do it.
Okay. Does it also mean, sir, that it is an additional work for you to do this? Would you rather have...
I don't regard this as being work. I regard this as being a pleasure.
Perfect.
To bring the support of the Filipinos to the former president.
Thank you, sir. Also, sir, with respect to your statement respecting the judicial process, do we have a timeline for that, sir?
The judicial process?
Like in general, like is it
Well, what I can
months or
perhaps reveal
years?
is that in the coming days, perhaps even today, perhaps tomorrow, perhaps the beginning of next week, But no more than in 1 week, we'll be filing our jurisdictional challenge.
Because in relation to that, sir, there are also questions from the Filipino people that some of the judges has expressed already statement that they are sort of against the former president. But is it that having him here in ICC already statement that they have jurisdiction already to the former president, sir?
I'm not aware of any comments expressed by ICC judges. I'm certainly not going to comment on that allegation. I find it hard to believe, as far as I'm concerned.
Ayan. Ayan po. Okay, magbasa tayo ng comments. Ayan, marami po ang natuwa sa magandang balita na yan. Okay. Yan po ang patunay na hindi yan fake news. Yan ay totoo. Yan ay ang patunay, ebidensya na si FPRRD ay mahal ng mga Pilipino. Dito nga sa aming lugar, straight PDP kami. Dahil bilang pagsuporta rin yan kay Tatay Digong. Kaya mga ka-issue, suportado rin ba ninyo ang partido ni Tatay Digong sa inyong lugar? Saan man kayo rito sa Pilipinas o sa ibang bansa? I-type nyo po sa ating comment section kung nasaan man kayong lugar. Kayo ba ay pro Duterte o pro PDP? Iboboto nyo ba sila? Sige, type nyo po sa ating comment section ang inyong komento. Ayan. Ano inyong masasabi? Masaya ba kayo kung makakalaya at makakabalik na dito sa Pilipinas si FPRRD? Okay? Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Ay lamang po sa susunod na talakayan, makita-kita tayong muli. God bless and have a good day, everyone.
Ano ang inyong reaksyon patungkol dito? Para sa iba pang mga katanungan o suhestyon, i-comment nyo lamang sa ating comment section.